spazzing on this motherfucker.
And he has the wheels.
Oh yeah, what's up?
Yeah, so Owen's trying to buy these wheels, which are the SM10s. And then I think this one, I think that's the arch type splitter with the canard as well. And then the arrow catch, and then the same hood louvers.
I would not buy it.
I don't like them, but he likes them, so.
Yeah, because you have to buy either track pack or tech pack.
No.
It's good.
They're together.
No. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about these, but. I don't know if this one's wrapped or if it's like paint. I think it's wrapped. I don't know. So when I look at the edges, but it's wrapped either really well or it's painted. So I don't know. Color, I like it a lot. Okay, this car looks really dope. Also, I guess this is arch type racing as well. So for those of you guys that don't know, all GT350s and 350Rs are all manual, and then like the one behind me, a GT500, they're all automatic. So all the new ones are. The old ones still have manual, but I really like this one. It's red and black. But so the spec options for the wheels are going to be the base wheels, and then no GT wing. But I actually think this is a better look because I would swap the wheels out anyway, so I don't like the carbon wheels. But yeah, this one looks great. So you see the pedal shifters. But yes. And I hear an Aventador being a fuckboy somewhere over there. Oh, it might be the SPJ. So it seems in the supercar world that people who own Aventadors act like people who own Civics, which is fairly unfortunate. Maybe I just can't afford an Aventador, so I'm just gonna talk shit. Let's go find some more interesting shit. And then the magniflow car. Basically a GT350 in every color that you could think of. And then Steve's car again, so you can see he has aftermarket wheels. So Project 6GR, I believe is the date. And then hand-built the Pride. And he's got the Predator mask here. And then the wing I was talking about is this wing. So let's even go inside and see some shit. So I have an older GT 500 here. This big ass supercharger. Big. And then I have this pile of shit.
This is good.
No, it's a pile of shit.
No, it's good.
That's all you know how to say. Blue GT 500.
这个看定为套装的这个，去 track package。
What is this?
This is a track package.
What is in the track package?
It's come 5 wheel and the wing.
GT 500 in black with a track pack. So you have an SB Roadster, I think it is, and then revving the shit out of it, and then SBJ. So now we're inside with Corey and Jonathan from FSE, and apparently this one's, they bought it for
2.25 million.
2.25 million.
I don't know, ask Shelby.
I can't afford it, so it's nothing to do with me. Oh, and buy.
我要买那边的那个。
He wants to buy a Shelby Cobra.
Which is
And my favorite cars, Vipers. I don't know. And then here we have Mr. Joseph Gatz GT500 and Shmi's GT500, which I believe he just got. Yeah. Got the track pack, carbon wheels. I really like. Oh, so can you option this in carbon? Come in carbon and that, or is it only? Okay, well, our GT350 on maybe this is aftermarket, I don't know, but the carbon. But you're gonna fuck them up anyway, so. If it's a track car, I guess don't get carbon, unless you're a baller. So I guess this is a factory color. And then fucking, oh, twin curb skis in that. But now the question comes is that this one has an intercooler, I think, but I don't know where the turb skis are unless it's supercharged. I can't tell, I don't know. I'm very confused right now. Gen 2 Ford GT or Gen 1 if you don't count the G40. I don't fit in one of these, so. HRE P101s, I think. I don't fit in this.
I found it for $280.
It's a deal, right?
Yeah, the 450 ones are the Heritage Edition. Sorry about the Super Sport cars, right? Yeah, those.
GT350 with supercharger.
Right here.
They played it, and it's number 30. 030.
That's a weird place to put the batch. Put it like somewhere in the frame, but you're gonna replace that shit.
Well, that is part.
Two orange GT500s right there. Another red 350, unless that's the one, or 500, unless that's the one I saw earlier. There's this red, and there's this red. I kind of like this red better. So then I guess this Shelby's on the Strip event was Colorado, Arizona, Vegas Shelby's, SoCal Shelby's, NorCal Shelby's, I think. I'm not sure. But the most Shelby's I've ever seen in my life.
At the center pole over there.
Another 500. And then Speed Phenoms. 600 LT. Pista in the back. And I think we're gonna go eat because we woke up late. It started at 7 and we're here. I woke up at like 8:30 or something.
Leaders to the center pole.
Food we go.